Axxon One allows you to record, organize, analyze and store video footage in an unlimited number of archives. An archive can be created on any local or network disk. You can specify name and color for any particular archive. Also, you can copy data between archives. To create an archive, go to the Archive tab and click Create. Afterwards, select whether you want to place the archive on a local or network disk. Remote archives are files located on one or multiple NAS, network-attached storage. To set up a network archive, specify the path to the network storage, then enter the login and password for this NAS. When you sign in, you can see a dialog box for setting up your archive. Type in the file size in gigabytes, or set it with a slider. Archive files are 1 GB and up. If needed, you can add and set up other NAS for your archive. The network archive is now created. A local archive can be stored either as a file or partition. To create a local archive, check the boxes for each of the disks to be used for storage. On pre-formatted disks, the archive volumes are stored as files. Enter the file size in gigabytes. On non-formatted disks, archive volumes can be stored as partitions. To delete the entire file system, you can use MS Windows Standard Disk Management utility. You have to delete the existing partition and create a new one, unformatted. The partition will be automatically formatted later by Axxon One. If you select a volume represented as a partition, you will get a pop-up warning about formatting disks. Upon your confirmation, the partition will be formatted into solid store and ready to work. The local archive is now created. To add an existing archive volume, your computer's name and all camera IDs have to be exactly the same as name and IDs previously used with this volume. If these conditions are met, the newly created archive will preserve all previously recorded footage. Please note, if you check the formatting box, all archive entries currently stored on the volume will be erased. Click the Apply button. An existing archive file is now added to the system. Archive's creation is now complete.